Hi everyone, this is Anand David Jonathan, and welcome to my MBA Masterclass. Friends, I'm going to talk about a topic which is from managerial economics, how to create an indifference curve. I'm going to use Excel, Microsoft Excel application to show how this is done, and with the sample data that I have created for you. I hope this delights you very much. So friends, we'll quickly go on to the Excel sheet which I have created for you. There are two representations which I have created to show different kind of indifference curve, and I hope that will give you the required clarity. So the first sample data which we see is of the sales of Tata Motors and Hyundai Motors, two of the topmost brands in automobiles in India, and is showing the sales numbers across various zones in India. So now we are going to see what is the consumer behavior using an indifference curve. So for that we have to go to the insert option. We'll select the scattered chart here, and we'll do right click, we'll select the data, and we'll say add. So in add, we'll say the name of the analysis or curve we are going to create here. I'm going to select Tata Motors on x-axis. I'm going to select Hyundai on the y-axis, and this is my indifference curve. So friends, as you can see, this is my indifference curve. uh, the Tata Motors sales are like 40 at 40, but the Hyundai Motors sales is quite up. So that's how the trending consumer behavior is across India when it comes from east to central India. And this is this is showing basically this indifference curve tells us the consumer how consumer is choosing between two products. And this is, in this case, it is showing the data is showing from for different regions as well. The second data is which I have for you is related to COVID-19 pandemic situation. It is when the schools were forced to convert their delivery mechanism from offline method to online, when students were not able to attend. So basically, this sample data is showing us the conversion of those sample offline minutes, and conversion of the offline minutes to online minutes, right? So we are going to see how this consumer engagement will look like when this conversion will happen from offline to online delivery, and specifically in the COVID-19 situation. So friends, for that again, I will take the I'll go to the insert option, and then I'll go to the scattered in diagram, and in this case, friends, it is automatically done. But I'll just tell you one more time. I'll go here. I'll take the right click here. I'll say indifference chart here, curve. You'll go to the x-axis and you'll select the online delivery. You'll go to the y-axis, you'll select the offline delivery, and that's it. You'll say okay. So friends, you will see here a different kind of indifference curve, which is showing the consumer engagement pattern, because basically the online deliveries are actually in reducing, right? So if you see in offline, when offline delivery minutes are 100, right? When different are 100, the online delivery method is only 60, right, which is this point. And as soon this is increasing, right, this is increasing this way, right? So that's how it is giving us the data, because it's increasing here also. This offline minutes is increasing, but it has equally proportionally increased here. So it is giving us a linear chart here. But when we talk about here, it when Tata Motors sales were up, it the when the Tata Motors sales are at the lowest, the Hyundai's sales are at the top. So it's giving us an inverse graph. So I hope this representation will give you the clarity. It will help you how to create the indifference card, which is a very important topic in managerial economics. Friends, if you think that we are doing a good job, please do like, share, and comment on the video.